Using going to for intentions. He is going to study. He is going to sleep. I am going to meditate. We are going to the gym. They are going to dance. We are going to the zoo. We are going to the zoo. We are going to the city. We are going to the park. I am going to buy a gift. I am going to eat dinner. I am going to take a nap. We are going to the farm. We are going to the store. I am going to play a game. He is going to buy a book. We are going to the beach. He is going to catch fish. They are going to do yoga. You are going to exercise. He is going to catch a bus. She is going to draw a map. We are going to the market. She is going to fly a kite. He is going to play guitar. I am going to hike a trail. He is going to take a trip. He is going to take a walk. They are going to make tea. He is going to wash the car. He is going to wash the car. He is going to fix the bike. We are going to the library. She is going to bake a cake. I am going to buy groceries. She is going to sing a song. We are going to the stadium. I am going to write a story. You are going to play piano. We are going to the concert. He is going to write a poem. We are going to the theater. She is going to sew a dress. He is going to read a novel. She is going to read a book. I am going to visit a friend. You are going to cook dinner. You are going to cook dinner. I am going to draw a picture. They are going to play chess. They are going to ride bikes. I am going to call my friend. She is going to knit a scarf. I am going to donate clothes. He is going to get a haircut. He is going to get a haircut. She is going to bake cookies. He is going to take pictures. I am going to feed the birds. I am going to write a letter. We are going to the aquarium. She is going to make a movie. You are going to mow the lawn. You are going to walk the dog. She is going to host a dinner. We are going to the bookstore. I am going to paint a picture. You are going to ride a horse. They are going to play soccer. She is going to learn to swim. We are going to the mountains. I am going to listen to music. I am going to swim in the pool. You are going to learn Spanish. She is going to paint the room. They are going to plant a tree. They are going to plan a party. You are going to take a shower. You are going to plant flowers. He is going to repair the roof. You are going to plant flowers. He is going to repair the roof. They are going to build a house. You are going to make breakfast. We are going to the countryside. You are going to learn to drive. They are going to watch a movie. You are going to write an email. You are going to run a marathon. You are going to run a marathon. You are going to read a magazine. She is going to create a website. They are going to visit a museum. They are going to solve a puzzle. She is going to water the plants. They are going to clean the house. They are going to wash the dishes. She is going to decorate the room. You are going to fix the computer. She is going to clean the windows. They are going to start a business. We are going to the amusement park. They are going to build a playground. They are going to organize the garage. You are going to finish your homework. She is going to visit her grandmother. She is going to visit her grandmother. He is going to volunteer at the shelter.